was reading the other day about Daruma.
Oh yes, Daruma. I saw your
Yeah,
story about
Daruma. What was it? Turtle and
oh
symbolizes.
crane.
Yes, crane. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So the symbol of the crane is also, about grace and devotion, longevity. There's actually a very popular folk tale about cranes and turtles that I've heard of as a child. Yeah, they really treasure the turtle and the crane as something to be such a spiritual animal. There's a lot of animals in Japan that, yeah, actually in the moon, there is said to be a bunny, and the bunny is actually making mochi. When I see the moon, oh, look at that bunny. And my husband goes, it's not a bunny up there. And I see a bunny having this like wood stick and making mochi. I see that, and I mentioned mochi because mochi is also another thing that is about longevity because it's stretchy. It's something that we eat in the new year as well. It's called ozoni, and we eat it in soup with shiitake mushrooms and spinach and other vegetables in like a clear soup. But different parts of Japan make it very, very differently.
All of those things you've mentioned, it really works, right? Because Japanese people are one of the longest living, healthiest living populations.
It's true, which is
Yeah.
causing a problem right now. But
Yes, aging.
we want everyone to live longer. What can I say?
Yeah. And
So
healthy, long
and
and
healthy.
healthy.
Yeah,
Yes.
and I think that it starts with living a meaningful life
Hmm.
by having meaning in what you put into your body.
Exactly. Yeah. You are what you eat, they say.
You are what you eat. Am I eating this sardine to give me more fruitful catch?
Hmm.
Am I eating this chestnut to make me more rich? I don't know. Whatever it is, like, it makes eating fun, makes cooking fun. Everything means something in Japan. And so
Yeah.
I hope people can, take this with them. Um,
Hmm.
the next time they're enjoying a piece of meal, a piece of whatever it is that they're
Yeah.
eating, and really feel gratitude for whoever made it, or
Mhm.
um, what it could symbolize for them, just to be grateful.
There's something behind it, right? Maybe there's a story of a
There's a
grandma
story.
teaching them making this dish, and that's how it reminds them of something, nice and happy.
Absolutely, absolutely. It was so good to see you. It's been a
Likewise, Happy
while.
New Year. How do you say Happy New
Yeah.
Year?
明けましておめでとうございます. It's a little long, so I can tell
Again,
you a shorter version.
go on.
明けおめ.
Akeome, akeome.
明けおめ. There's another one. It's ことよろ. It's
Kotoro.
今年もよろしくお願いします meaning I wish for a fruitful friendship this year. 今年もよろしく
Likewise.
お願いします. Yeah, exactly.